Hi, how are you? My name is Lech and welcome to my channel. When I started Chocofur, I had one clear goal. I wanted to share my professional Blender experience and projects with the community because it was always fascinating to me that you can make a living and become an independent creator thanks to a free and open source software. If you're following my channel, you've probably noticed I didn't upload anything for the past few months. And the main reason for that is I'm still working as a professional 3D graphics designer. I'm managing my remote team, we do the client projects, and I was simply overwhelmed with the work. But also, I want to be honest, I think I kind of lost the goal I had initially with Chocofur, and I just needed some time off to rethink what I want to do with this brand, with this channel, and get back to you when I'm actually in peace with everything. So I hope I have a good news because now I'm back and I decided to take my channel into slightly different direction than it was before. So the big change I want to introduce is sharing all of my professional course videos for free with everyone on the channel. The courses that I'm talking about are the actual training videos that I'm creating to grow my production team. For example, the interior visualization course that I've already created, I use this course to train new people that later work together with my team so we can deliver nice architectural renderings to our clients. So what I want to do is sharing all those videos, all this video material for free with everyone on my channel, but each course also has extra content such as written tips and tricks, image comparisons, of course project files to everything that I'm creating throughout the course, and this content can be accessed through the subscription plans that I've created, and that's another news. I'm aware not everyone is a fan of the subscription model, but it was the only way for me to continue doing what I love and share my content with you without putting it behind a giant paywall. The other news, the channel will still have the regular tutorials. I'm gonna post them, but in a slightly different form. At the end of each regular tutorial, I thought about sharing some of my personal thoughts on what helped me in becoming a better 3D professional. Where do I find inspiration? Maybe a little bit of the business side of things. We will see if you guys enjoy this kind of content. I want this video to be short, so if you're interested in the subscription plans, just check out the link in the video description. I also want to thank everyone who supported Chocofur so far. It really means a lot. I wouldn't be making this and the future videos without your help. So thank you. And if you're new to the channel, it will be my pleasure helping you in becoming better at Blender. Just remember, Blender isn't hard. You just have to learn it the right way. Thank you guys for watching, take care, and I see you around.